So my name is Reza Cameron. I am the Director of Product Enablement at 8x8. So we see Telarus partners running into many obstacles, and some of those obstacles really come from misconceptions. So if we look at UCaaS as a service, it's changed a lot from where we've seen unified communications in the past, which is essentially moving communication capabilities from an on-premise environment into a cloud-based environment. And there are a number of advantages to doing that, everything from future-proofing your capabilities to lowering your costs to really expanding feature sets and capabilities. But the number one concern that partners may have is misconceptions by customers, because UCaaS, when it was introduced, was always intended to be a small business offering. And when you're selling to small business, it's really about cheap phones in the cloud, and with less concern about features and capabilities or service reliability as an example. So that's always a concern, because the small business market is starting to saturate, and now more and more customers in the mid-market enterprise space are starting to look at cloud. But how do you get over some of those misconceptions that are happening? 8x8 is an organization that we recognize our advantages and disadvantages. We've been in this industry for 30 plus years, and one of the few organizations that was literally born into the cloud. So our technology, both our UCaaS services and our contact center as a service, it has been created, born in the cloud, and we've spent tremendous amount of time not only managing this technology, but being able to customize this technology for small business, mid-market, and enterprise customers. So the value that we bring is experience and a deep business and technical understanding of where this technology is going, and more importantly, what customers are looking for from this technology. With the VXSupportLine, it allows customers to be more comfortable with the technology by understanding the capabilities of their own network configurations, understanding where, if at any, those gaps exist, and then ensuring that the solution that gets put in is optimal for that customer environment. There are vendors alike that offer UCaaS solutions, and actually we have our own tools where we've done diagnostics. But here's the challenge. The challenge is that we are a vendor. And customers, as much as we'd like to say, hey, we can do these diagnostics for you using our own tools, we may not be the most trusted advisor when it comes to these things. Telarus having their own tool, it just becomes a third-party validation to that, as opposed to a vendor offering you everything from the network support and the network validation to the solution itself.